In forests, it inhabits the edges of wet alluvial forests, alder forests, overgrown banks of rivers, and other small groups of trees. It usually nests in small, loosely distributed colonies, rarely alone. The young are fed for about 16 days, after which they leave the nest, being still non-flying. They stay hidden in invisible places for some time under the protection of their parents. A chaffinch is a species which adapts to the environment with great ease. It occurs everywhere where trees grow. It can be all types of forests and midfield groups of trees, orchards, parks, or gardens.